Hello guys, welcome back to another episode. So in this episode I'm going to teach you guys how we did proper top-down analysis from the weekly all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, and we took our intraday entry. So in this time frame we could see that the markets was making higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. So we want to trade with the trend and not against it. So when the market came and retested this level, we had inside bar and inverted candlesticks, which shows that the market is reacting to this particular level. So that gave us a bullish bias unconfirmed. So we moved to the 4 hour time frame to look for another bullish bias, so that both the weekly and then the 4 hour time frame will be confluent. So that's the same zone. So when the market came here in the 4 hour time frame, what do we see? We had let's say lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. The market failed to make a lower low, and then it made a higher low. That is the first sign of momentum loss, and we drew our counter trend line, and then boom. So we could have even entered our swing trade over here when the market broke the trend line over here, and then that could be a decent trade. You could have even targeted 1 to 2, or even 1 to 3, 1 to 2, and then we hit our TP. Simple. So now, just by even using the daily and then the 4 hour time frame, we could have even taken our buy from this level, but we took a snapper entry in the 1 hour time frame. So in the 1 hour time frame, this is what we saw. The markets broke the trend line, and then it also broke above the 14 EMA and then the 50 EMA. And when it broke above the trend line and then the EMAs, it came and retested the 50 EMA and then the trend line with a long wick candle, and it bounced with a bullish engulfing candle. So we took our entry over here, and then we targeted 1 to 3, and look at that, we hit TP. Simple. Now, so now you can see that both the weekly support level with candles rejecting this level gave us a bullish bias unconfirmed, and then when we moved to the 4 hour time frame, we got price was making lower low, and then we got higher low, which shows momentum loss now. So now the daily and then the 4 hour are confluent. So when we move to the 1 hour time frame, we had a trend line break, which also shows a bullish sentiment, and an EMA crossing, and price came and retest and it bounced. So now we have both daily, 4 hour time frame, and 1 hour time frame. All these 3 time frames are confluent, and then they are telling us that look for buying opportunity. So this is how we do proper top-down analysis. Guys, yeah, I hope this video has helped you to broaden your understanding when it comes to price action and top-down analysis. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.